Hello, it's Sally from the Crochet Web, and today I'm going to talk about trebles, UK trebles, and in the US these are called double crochet, and in the UK they're called trebles. So this is a little course I've got. You can check the playlist. I've got every stitch on there or coming soon, and you will see how to do one. So I've done a first row. So the way you start a row of trebles is with 3 chain. So up they go like that, and that's the height of a treble. And then remember to keep your hook facing forwards, take your yarn round, and you miss this stitch because the 3 chain come out of this stitch and you go into this stitch. Just move my wool out of the way and then you can probably see better. So yarn round, pull through, so you've got 3 strands on your hook, and then yarn round, pull through 2, yarn round, pull through 2, and that is a treble. So let's do a couple more. So take your yarn round and in to that top of that treble below, or whichever stitch is below, pull through. So you've got 3 on your hook, yarn round, pull through 2, yarn round, pull through 2. Make sure your tension is the same, and everyone's got different tension. I love using a 4mm hook with double knitting wool. So yeah, if you've not worked out already, UK terms are different to the US terms. So this is a treble in the UK, and a double crochet, DC, is the abbreviation in America, and TR is the abbreviation in the UK. And if you see YO, that means yarn over. If you see YOH, yarn over hook, kind of the same thing. So these are really therapeutic to do, and they make quite a solid texture. Through 2, yarn round, through 2. Now I'll show you how to do the end of your row, because this just looks like a bit of a jumbled mess, doesn't it? So there are actually 2 stitches here, so we're going to go into the top of that treble there, through 2, yarn round, through 2, and then there are 3 chains here, 1, 2, 3, so we find the top chain, and sometimes it's a little bit of a force through, because I must have done that one quite tight. Try and always have 2 strands on the top, unless your pattern tells you otherwise, because that just keeps it a bit more stable and doesn't pull as much. Yarn round, through 2, yarn round, through 2. There you go. So that is 2 rows of treble. I'll do another row. Obviously if you've got it, you've got it, that's great. If not, you can carry on crocheting along. So we've done the 3 chain up. So can you see now, you skip this one and you're going into this second one. Yarn round, through. I mean, your first project could be something as simple as a little scarf for a teddy bear, a scarf for yourself, or you could even make this into a phone case and just sew up the edges, put a little press stud on. Crochet is so adaptable. A do have an Instagram channel if you want to follow along on there. It's called the Crochet Web, and if you'd like to subscribe, I would really appreciate that as I build the channel. There you go, 3 rows of treble or 3 rows of double crochet if you are using US terms. See you on the next one.